Hi viewers, welcome to the lesson number 13 of Learn Awadhi Language series. Today we'll be learning the month names in Awadhi language. So let's begin. On the left side I've written the Awadhi names of the month, and on the right side I've written the English names of the month. Also we wanted to make clear that the start date of an Awadhi month and the starting and ending date of an Awadhi month does not exactly match with the start and end date of an English month. For instance, Phagun, which is a month which usually starts from the mid of February and continues up to the mid of March. Okay, so all these of the months usually continue through 2 English months. So let's begin. Chait, Baisakh, Jeth, Asad, Sawan, Bhadav, Kumar, Kartik, Agahan, Poos, Magh, Phagun. Thank you for watching.